The Center for Communications and Engineering is home to both our School of Communications and School of Engineering. The Courtyard is the center of the complex, where students can hang out at the picnic tables, do homework, or grab food at Au Bon Pain, just inside the entrance. Au Bon Pain is one of the many dining options on campus, and is a great place to grab a quick lunch. As you enter the building, straight ahead is the entrance to the School of Communications, with the stairs leading down to the School of Engineering just to your left. To your right is the Department of Cultural and Global Engagement, which oversees study abroad, international student services, multicultural education, Title IX, Jewish student life, and the cultural and identity student organizations. Right now, we're in the heart of the School of Communications. This building offers a variety of collaborative and study spaces for students to do work and classrooms that cater to different disciplines. To your left is our Multimedia Lab design studio and computer classroom, equipped with Adobe editing software. As you move a little more to your left, the Agency Classroom is a space that hosts a full-service public relations, advertising, and design agency for students to work with real clients such as Lego and Peanuts Worldwide LLC, home of Charlie Brown and Snoopy. As you continue counterclockwise, you'll see our remote equipment room is fully equipped with over 100 4K cameras, LED lights, and full sound production equipment. The podcast studio, located in the School of Communications, allows students, faculty, and community members across the university to create and produce podcasts as part of their academic and professional development. The state-of-the-art equipment helps you create meaningful messages for audio and video distribution. On the ground level is the School of Engineering, which offers an assortment of classrooms and labs that students utilize to put their skills to work. Our Performance Optimization Workshop is an interactive, flexible workspace that features some of the most advanced equipment, such as our programmable robot Yumi, a driving simulator, and a Festo automation system. The Fluid Dynamics Lab is used to understand flow in closed conduits. There is also a wind tunnel, where students can explore concepts of fluid flow and the aerodynamic forces of lift and drag on various shapes. The Machine Shop is the heart of the Mechanical Engineering program. Here, students work with industrial manufacturing equipment, such as a mill, lathe, and drill press.